Hello, I'm Joe Petersburger, a communication expert and a university lecturer, and I'm here to help you to be successful at online exams. To reach a higher success rate at online exams, you need to show respect, you need to look confident, and of course, you need to know your stuff. Your knowledge is your own, and you need to prepare for that on your own. Whenever we talk about respectful online impression, you need to concentrate on three things: your environment, your personal outfit, and your posture. Your environment will be most probably your room. Please try to find a corner where you have the less details at the background. With more details, you have a higher chance that the examiner will focus on something else instead of you. Your appearance is a crucial factor to show respect to the teacher and to the topic. So please dress up properly. Ladies, please wear a blazer jacket with an elegant shirt, fix your hair and put on a moderate makeup. Gentlemen, the most proper dress for any kind of exam situation is suit and tie. If you don't have it, please wear at least a long-sleeved, well-ironed shirt. Don't forget to shave or groom your facial hair and your hair as well. If you have glasses, wear them instead of contact lenses. We associate higher intellect to those who wear glasses. But be sure that they are not reflecting, because you cannot make proper eye contact if your glasses are reflecting. Your posture can be a trap by itself. The most obvious way to show disrespect is to look down at someone. And this is what I see most of the time when I communicate with students, because the camera of your mobile device is lower than your eye level. So face your device, that the camera is at your eye level. If you are in an asymmetric posture, it might look cool, but it says that you are not fully concentrating on the other person. So please show a symmetric posture to the examiner. If only your face or just part of your face is visible, it's too intimate. Please note that some cell phones provide a different picture to you than what the examiner sees. So be sure that only your head and shoulders are visible in the camera. This is the area what examiners used to look at anyway, so just provide them the same comfortable view. In addition, your words count as well. Always start with a proper, polite greeting, like good morning or good afternoon, professor. Whatever happens at the end, say thank you for the opportunity, professor, even if you fail. It might be crucial what impression you leave whenever you need to return to the same person. It is very important to look confident during an exam, since it can highly affect your final grade. But how to do that when you are under stress? There are some tips and tricks. The three most important things are eye contact, smiling, and nodding. Be sure that you keep eye contact with the examiner most of the time. It's not as easy as it sounds, because by instinct, you will look at the face on your mobile device instead of looking into the camera. What the examiner will see, that you are looking down, like you are using a prohibited material to succeed. To make it more easy to look into the camera, I would recommend to print out a smiley or a happy face, make a hole in one of the eye, and then you fix it on your device in a way that the hole is exactly around the lens. In addition, you can darken your screen so you can more easily focus on the picture. Smiling is very hard when you are under stress. However, it is crucial to make a positive impression on the teacher. So please try to smile several times during the exam, but at least once at the beginning. Nodding is a universal sign to agree with someone, but also to convince the other person with our arguments. So please nod whenever you have an important statement or when you receive a comment from the examiner. I hope these tips and tricks will be useful for you. For more information, please visit Sell Yourself course on Facebook or my personal account on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a really successful exam period.